Welcome to this new video in which I'll show you how to bulk upload videos to TikTok. For this template, I'm using a Google Sheet to import the videos, to import my data, but then you can do it in different ways. Import a CSV file, enter by hand. Anything is possible with Automa. In this case, I've decided to use a Google Sheet file in which I have two columns. The first column is the complete path to the videos, and the second column is the description of the video. If you want to scan a directory on your computer where you have all the uploaded videos, rather than entering them in a file, Automa makes it possible, in combination with a PHP script, for example, which will scan your directory to identify all the videos. And Automa will retrieve this information to obtain a complete list of videos. A brief aside, you should know that the Windows, Linux, or whatever directory scanning method is possible, and coupling it with Automa is perfectly feasible. Brackets closed. So, demonstration of the template you see here. Here we go, first video. Finished. We'll move on to the second. The third and last. And that's it. When I go into my account, I can see the three videos I've just uploaded. So the first one with my description one, hashtag amazing video, description 2, hashtag oak, description 3, hashtag crazy. So I've got them right. The descriptions have been respected. The videos have been uploaded. So it's working perfectly. So in one click, you see it's very easy to upload as many videos as you want to TikTok. How does this template work? Here's how it works. First of all, we're going to read the Google Sheet. So the one I've named TikTok bulk uploader. I'm going to read the video tab. That is this tab, columns. Automa. So basically, I retrieve the contents of these columns. From there, I create a loop that will allow me to read each row in the Google Sheet. So from my Google Sheet, I'm going to create a loop I call video. And then I open TikTok, the upload page, upload the file in the first column. So basically, to retrieve this information dynamically, we use Automa's syntax of Automa, syntax EA, between double braces. And within these double braces, we start with the source of the data. So it can be variable, Google Sheet, individual. It can be global data. It can be lots of things. And also a loop. So in this case, we're in a loop. So the source of the data is loop data. Which data source? The one whose ID is video. And since it's associated with a Google Sheet, I want to read the path column. That is this column here. So here, it will retrieve in this way the complete path to the video. I wait for an arbitrary 2-second delay to be sure that the TikTok system is ready to receive my description entry. So first I click on the description zone. So for technical reasons, if you don't click on it, it may not work for the input behind. So I click on it. I enter with the same logical syntax what I have in my description column. So in the same CSS selector I used for the clip, here I'm waiting to see if the video is uploaded. In other words, under my conditions. I'm actually checking a CSS element that has this class and which will display as the uploaded value. You may have noticed earlier, in fact, in the video, you actually have the progress bar at the top of the upload. And at the end, when it's finished, it's in green and the word uploaded appears. So that's how I detect if the upload is complete. If it's finished, we click on the post button, the button for validating the video, and then I check to see if an upload button appears. Because once I've clicked on post, a few seconds later, another window that will replace the current window with the upload button. This confirms that the upload has been completed and lets me make sure it's finished. From there, well, I've reached the end of my loop already. And so I'm going to go back here and repeat the whole process for the following videos. So you see, in Logic, nothing complicated. And with Automa, it's very easy. By following, well, the same way we humans would. Click here, enter the text here, upload the video. So in a very logical and coherent way, Automa does it very well. You'll find this template in my Automa training, which will enable you to analyze and test it for yourself. You may not have understood everything, but that's normal. It wasn't a training video, but a demonstration video, because the aim of my training course is to teach you step by step, to gradually teach you how to master Automa so that you'll be comfortable using on all templates. Did you like this video? Then please feel free to like, comment, and share it. That's what keeps me going. And if you have any ideas for templates for future videos, let me know in the comments. And of course, if you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe to my channel.